Om na na, he ah ya, ooh ah, na 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 na, na 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 na, ooh, ah, he, ooh, he, Here we are, we're sitting outside, we're having a good time. Looking around, feeling all the breezes, feeling really fine. Looking all around to the left and right, I see a bunch of beautiful sights. Look at all the birds that are in the air, they're all flying. Enjoying nature's really good. You should do this every day. If you don't, then you should go around the neighborhood. If you can stay, then you should find a way to go outside and play. Yay! Finally, you should have a wonderful time today. Take care, guys. Spend more time in nature. Have a great day. Have a great and blessed life. And I'll see you in the next one.